Why is so much waste crime happening in England today? Why do fly tipping and illegal operators cost over £1 billion every single year? The government believes it is because the current registration system is broken. Now a major reform is on the way. The old waste carrier and broker registration is being replaced with permits. What does that actually mean, and why is this such a big shift? The current system makes it too easy for rogue operators to slip through. Some simply register once and keep trading for life with little oversight. Paperwork is easy to fake or misdescribe. This allows hazardous waste to be passed off as ordinary rubbish. Councils then pay millions to clean up the damage. Regulators say up to 1 in 5 waste transactions are managed illegally. DEFRA now plans to replace the old scheme with environmental permits. Every operator will fall into clear categories: waste controllers, waste transporters, or combined operations. Each permit will last only 3 years and will require renewal. Most important of all, technical competence will become mandatory. No more quick sign-ups. People will need to pass training or workplace qualifications to prove they understand the new rules. The new system does not yet have a confirmed start date. What is clear is how the transition will look. Operators who already hold 3-year registrations will switch when their current registration expires. Those with lifetime registrations will have 12 months from the official go-live date to apply for a new permit or to register for exemptions. That means every business in this sector will face a compliance deadline once the system begins. This is not just red tape. It gives Environment Agency new powers to act fast. Permits can be suspended or revoked. Fixed penalties can be issued on the spot. Permit numbers must be displayed on vehicles and advertising, so anyone can check if operator is legitimate. Soon this system will also connect to digital waste tracking. That means a real-time audit trail, replacing paper notes that criminals exploit. Yes, there will be costs. The transition is expected to reach around £44 million for businesses. But the government says the savings from cutting waste crime will be far greater. Over 70% of consultation responses supported the move. The aim is to professionalize the industry, cut illegal dumping, and reward those who follow the rules. If you like this breakdown, subscribe for new videos, and thank you for today.